Lesson 6G, Exercises 3 and 6.
So, we're going to London next month. How exciting! Shall we plan our trip?
Yes. First of all, shall we decide where to stay?
Yes, let's do that. How much do we want to spend?
I don't want to spend very much. Why don't we stay in a cheap hotel?
I'm not sure about that. The beds in cheap hotels are always so uncomfortable.
OK. This hotel near the station looks good.
I'm not sure. It might be quite noisy. What about staying in this hotel near the centre?
I don't mind. You choose. Now, what tourist attractions do you want to see? It would be nice to visit an art gallery.
Yes, I like that idea. Do you fancy going to a concert too?
I'm not very keen on that idea. I'd rather go to the theatre, actually.
OK, why not? There are lots of good shows to choose from.
What about places to eat? What kind of food do you like?
I love fish and chips. Do you fancy getting some fish and chips on the first evening?
What a good idea. I like Italian food too. So we can find a pizzeria on another evening.
Yes. Now, what's the best way to travel round London?
We could always get a travel card. You can travel as often as you like on buses and the underground with a travel card.
That's a really good plan. How much is a travel card?
I think it's about £10 a day.
OK, I'll get 2 of those for us.
Lesson 6G, Exercise 8.
I'm really looking forward to our trip to London. Shall we book a hotel?
OK, or maybe a hostel. They're much cheaper.
I like that idea. We can find one online.
OK. What kind of tourist attractions would you like to visit?
Well, I'd like to see Buckingham Palace and the Houses of Parliament. And I'd like to go shopping too.
Me too. We could go to one of the markets.
Sorry, did you say supermarket?
No, market. For example, Covent Garden or Camden.
Cool. It would be nice to visit a park too. Do you know if there are any good parks in London?
Yes. Hyde Park and Regent's Park are very beautiful.
Pardon?
Hyde Park and Regent's Park. They're right in the centre. They are very beautiful.
What about restaurants? I suppose there are lots of good restaurants in the centre.
Yes, but lots of them are very pricey.
Sorry, what does pricey mean?
Expensive.
Oh, I see. Well, we can find cheap ones, I'm sure. How are we going to travel around in London?
We can walk if we want to save money.
I don't like that idea. It'll be too tiring.
Well, let's take buses then. Maybe we can hire bicycles too.
I'd rather not. Cycling in cities can be quite dangerous.
OK, let's use the buses then. Or should we use the underground? It's quicker than the bus.
I don't mind. They're both good ideas.
OK, let's use the underground. I'm looking forward to this holiday.